Rasa pasang sangasa wala rasa pasang sangasa wadare ki banu mamana daga masanu mamana wadare ki banu mamana
Jikor takon nak kol agade
Back mulan big banji basha dasar banji में बिल्कुल क्या खबर banji
wah kol agade kol tuyan na khajadi
तो क्या खचा जी
tuyan na khajadi
आयो pakai udah kori single mungkin bayan jahat banji kuri tanah sih wih mati zar banji kiri हाँ लेट्स के शांति बस ठीक हुआ बस माखाम रोके तो बन चला जब मुझे तो नाम लवल से हुई हाँ वाह बेगम मशे पूरे दिलामात बस जो कमा वालेकुम सलाम ये लगा मिस्टर स्पिनिया जैसे कार्गो की करना कि अगर मिस्टर तोरे बानी बजान चला की सही हुआ नाज भाई सही जो बखम मज़ेदार चरगा वाले घट चरगो हुए हाँ और बस बच्चे कार बांधो के गया कि परिचम गाउन के बाद उगर जाए और ताकि पता मन के पेट निष्ठा खाने आ गए वो रहा थोड़ा के लिए का मज़ेदार हाल को जान और जान चले पर शापर के लावले कि अगर खालिक दी और गर्मी ऊपर निस्की ने गर्म शहर बैठ की मुझे शिकारों Lacha aga Mr. Tore babar girzi gana dan cari ke shabu cirgam dawli awam dawli ka to da wada karna
dagi pade wada mawar makam de guru
war na yi ke shabale bacha mashallah agani jadali banud
oh Mr. Black
yeah
the jiggle is calling for you
Oh man, oh Mr. White, I will finish my breakfast. Then we go. Okay?
okay
Just right. Oh listen, Mr. White.
yeah
The worry, the ratula wulu, the tool na easy process chikam de hagade first you collect the shopper.
okay
Then you knocking the door.
Yeah.
Understand?
yeah
Okay, listen and look at me.
man
Mr. Black.
Mr. White
Want Wawra. Oh, mean Wawra.
auram sakala khunayma
Oh my God. Bara.
da bijlay ko bara wo
No bala.
rukshay mala
Oh man, this is a crazy woman. She don't understand the language. Okay, listen. Ayak, Wawra.
da sawa yasli wani shabiya sawali
Oh my God. I went crazy, man. What? Eyes.
weto ba ay sus pur sa tarin ko ma laway
Oh, Mr. White, listen. This home is my friend home, okay?
Yeah.
Mr. Shazeba.
Yeah.
So please take care of knocking the door and collect the bar. Ice, okay? Well, let's go. We need ice, man.
ये दूरी अस्पिनिया तस पे खबर से कोई नहीं दन ने पिज़्ज़ा को दी सब गोरे ने पे गोरे वर्षी
Okay, let's check it. Okay. Oh, look at that, man. Look at that. This is our...
very big
Yeah, you open the refrigerator door, so I will check the ice, okay?
check it
Oh my God, man, Mr. White. It's have much meat. I think I don't have ice. I don't have ice, man. Oh man. So look at Mr. White.
yeah
This is our last home.
Yeah.
And our last home.
Okay.
So easily collect the ice.
all right
So be careful and knock the door, okay?
that's okay
Yeah, Mr. Black.
and Mr. White
I want come to need ice. Sorry. Ice. So your fridge have ice?
ice.
Bani? Sa challi? Payoyo ke baruka na nuza makana.
Look at man. We are loose. We are not collect the ice in
Yeah.
any home. So what we do?
We are bringing the ice of Paluda shop.
Oh, this is a
Big
very
shop.
big idea, man. So you have money.
Yeah, 500 rupees.
Oh, look at man. That's why. That's a good idea. Let's go. Let's go. Hey man, I have one more idea.
Which one? Show me.
Look at this. This is my friend home.
Yeah.
دی قربانی دا ځل نه دا کړی او زما چې څومره خیال دی نو د دې په فریج کې به خامخا آیس اویلیبل وي نو so let's try it.
Yeah, right.
So knocking the door.
وګوره کترله ما
Junaid, Mr. Black.
And Mr. White.
موږ دننه راتلی شو.
او راځي دا اوس تاسو خپل ځای دی.
یا راځه جی راځه.
تاسو فرج کې ځان له ورو ګورئ زما څه کار دی ځال ته ورځم سیده.
بس ټیک شو man. ما او Mr. White چې کوم دی موږ ګورو که نه ځان له آیس په فریج کې ته دغلته بېغمه خپل کار کوه. اوکې thank you so much. I think this is fridge here. This is our last hop and
our last fridge.
Okay, so we'll try to open.
Okay.
Oh my God! That's so nice. This is not. Look it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, now you are so lucky, your friend.
I'm so happy.
Oh my God! Oh, man. Oh.